What if your role model becomes your inspiration? Jayvardhan Agrawal, a BBA grad student from GLS University, followed his cousin's footstep and scored a 99.17 percentile in CAT 24. But it wasn't all smooth. From mock tests and rejections to building soft skills through a non profitable organization, Jayvardhan turned every challenge into a stepping stone. In today's episode, we'll break down how he did it and how mentorship, mindset, and community helped him climb all the way to IM interviews. Hi, people. Welcome to Time's Cat Prep Stories. This is Wilson from Time, and today we are going to talk with Jayvardhan Agrawal. So, Jayvardhan, what's going on?
Yes, a lot of preparation, lot of enjoyment, lot of stress, lot of excitement for the new phase that is going to start. This is what is going on right now in my mind.
And shopping हो गई है?
चालू कर दी है, थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें बाकी है, थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें हो गई है. धीरे धीरे आई एम होपिंग वी विल गेट देयर, विल कंप्लीट एवरीथिंग.
Okay, Jayvardhan. So, let's start with your journey. जब
Yes.
आप BBA कर रहे थे GLS में, तब what drew you towards business and management? मतलब जनरली BBA वाले MBA करते ही है, बट ऐसा कोई एक स्पार्क होगा.
या तो आई कम फ्रॉम अ मारवाड़ी फैमिली, तो बिजनेस तो हमेशा से करना ही था, बट आई समवॉट हैड अ विश टू डू इट फॉर्मली फर्स्ट बिकॉज I feel the world is moving on. The techniques are different in the corporate world. So I felt कि IIM would be a good place. If I do a MBA from an IIM, I would be able to learn more corporate skills, the more new things that are going on. बाद में ट्रेडिशनल चीज़ें सिखाने के लिए घर वाले तो है ही.
अच्छा,
Yes.
पापा बिजनेस करते हैं?
Yes.
अच्छा, इसलिए. Okay. Now, the big one. You said that your cousin gave CAT and he secured an admission at IIM Ahmedabad.
Yes.
तो थोड़ा उनकी स्टोरी बता दीजिए और उन्होंने आपको कैसे इंस्पायर किया?
Uh, okay, I will tell. His name is Yash Bhaiya. I call him Yash Bhaiya. So we used to meet regularly before. उन्होंने अब कैट का किया भी नहीं था, मतलब रिलेशन में we lived together. So we met him. I used to see him कि वो कैसे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं. And once I met him after he had completed his MBA, the drastic change I saw in him, I wondered what made that change. I researched about it, and somewhere or the other, it striked me कि yes, MBA might be the good thing for me. Even I was looking for a place कि जहाँ पे मेरे को holistic development मिल सके. And उनको देख के I felt the change in him. उनको देख के I felt कि yes, I want this, and I feel this is good for me. So that was the point जहाँ पे मैंने थोड़ा सोचना चालू किया, and then all the strings met, and I finally decided to pursue it.
वो भी GLS में पढ़ते थे?
Yes, he was also studying in GLS.
ओके. जब उनका IIM अहमदाबाद हुआ तो कॉलेज का क्या रिएक्शन था? मतलब मोस्टली GLS यूनिवर्सिटी इज नोन फॉर promoting their students a lot. And
Yes,
that's a good thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yes, it was definitely a very happy moment for all of the GLS faculties, as well as definitely for him. He was also in time, so in time as well. Now GLS promotes him in his brochure every now and then. Whenever they start their admissions, his photo is always there. So yes, it was a very happy moment for all of us, because yes, the achievement was of that level. Yes.
So अब तो आपका भी लग जाएगा.
Let's hope.
Okay. So Jayvardhan, CAT is often seen as an engineering heavy exam. Like वहाँ पे नॉन इंजीनियर्स आपको पता है,
ठीक है,
राइट, द
हाँ,
सिनारियो.
हाँ.
तो आपके दिमाग में क्या था उस चीज को लेके?
Yeah, so a lot of people ask me this. Like when people come to me, कि यार, I am a non-engineer, I am from commerce background. How things will work out? But how see it my way? Everybody has their own strength and weaknesses. जो engineers होते हैं, they have there is no doubt they have a very good, what should I say? उनका होता है, हाथ होता है एक के cons पे. But when it comes to VRC, they are not genuinely, I will say, generally bad at it. So everybody has their own strength as well as weaknesses. उनका quant है तो है, and they have worked for it while they were preparing for the JEE exams. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि उनको बचपन से मिल गया था. They have worked for it. उन्होंने पहले कर लिया, तुम अभी कर लो. So it's just a matter of perspective, how you see those things. तो आई जस्ट रिकमेंड पीपल दैट इट डज नॉट मेक मच डिफरेंस. उन्होंने पहले कर दिया, तुमको अब करना है. इफ़ यू आर विलिंग टू डू इट, यू कैन डेफिनेटली डू इट.
एमबीए के लिए प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड यू जॉइन सम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन.
यस.
तो वहाँ पे आपने क्या क्या सीखा और व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड आपको ऐसा लगा कि यार ये सब सीखना बहुत मुश्किल है, जो लीडरशिप स्किल्स होती है, जो सॉफ्ट स्किल्स होती है, राइट? क्योंकि आपके लिए भी वो चीज़ नहीं होती है. एंड वी
Yes.
सी मोस्टली जो नॉन इंजीनियर्स होते हैं वो प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग के लिए इंटर्नशिप्स करते हैं, कोर्सेज
Hmm.
करते हैं. बट हाउ डिड दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हेल्प यू एंड व्हाट डिड यू लर्न?
ठीक है, तो फर्स्टली स्टार्टिंग विद प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग वाला थिंग, अगेन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डू नॉट फोकस अपॉन दैट. सब लोग यही सोचते हैं एक बार 99 लाए फिर तो अपने भगवान है. बट थिंग्स डज नॉट वर्क दैट वे. द वर्ल्ड हैज सेट अ डिफरेंट रूल्स. यू विल गेट टू नो आफ्टर यू स्कोर, और आफ्टर द रिजल्ट्स आर आउट देन यू विल रियलाइज कि बहुत ज़रूरी था. सो फर्स्ट थिंग recommended, do work on your communication skills, how you talk to people. Try to go at places where you can interact with as much people as possible. That's where ISEC comes in. I came through it because one of my colleagues was in ISEC, and apart from this they were doing some advertising here and there. So I thought I had some time, okay, let's join this, let's try to meet people, because ISEC is all about networking, meeting new people and learning from them. So I joined it, and the journey has been very good. It has changed me tremendously. The things I have learned there, including leadership, if you want to say, if including client meetings, including communication, including how you talk to people professionally and how you deal with things, the problem solving skill, the critical thinking skills, the way you need to figure out solutions while you are in a stress situation, and a lot of things I would not like to elaborate right now, but it helped me quite a lot. And believe me, half time in my interviews I have talked about ISEC. And the panel was also interested talking about it, because it is not something कि जो सबने किया होता है. So yes, it definitely helped me a lot.
So what were your roles over there?
Okay, so I joined as a member. I started my ISEC journey in August 2024. I joined as a business development member. I was working towards event management basically. We did some social impact projects like Hunger Drive. Then we did an YSF, a youth speak forum, where we invited speakers and a lot of people that were addressed by the speaker itself. Apart from this, when I completed this role after my 6 month, I applied for the vice president position for the outgoing corporate sector. Basically, what it does is it provides people the opportunity to go for global internships. So yes, I applied for the vice president position, and I was the only person who got selected directly from the member position, because traditionally you have to go through a team leader position before becoming a vice president. So yes, it was again a good moment for me. Yes, after which I have been working for this role. I have been working towards providing people global internships, and yes, I am currently doing it.
Okay. So when exactly did you start preparing for CAT and what was your study structure?
Okay, so I started in May 2022. Then May CAT 23 was my initial target. I wanted to get things done in my final year, as my graduation completed in May 24. I was willing to get a good score in CAT 23 itself. So you can say 1.5 years I dedicated at that point of time for CAT 23, but it did not turn out to be a good, because CAT 23 was a bad thing for me. Then I stopped preparing for CAT. As of now, I had some calls. I converted Gym Goa after CAT 23. I was thinking if I should join or not. I was thinking my field, which specialization I'm willing to do in my life, and all of these things. But finally, I figured out that yes, I want to give CAT one more time. I have the potential to score a 99 percentile. So yes, again in May 24, I started preparing for CAT again. And yes, 6 months down the line, I scored 19.17 percentile.
Well, CAT 23 was a big surprise for all the
Yes.
aspirants. We don't want to get into
Yes.
that, right? So how did you like, हर एक स्टूडेंट का ऐसा होता है कि अगर मैंने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट दिया है मतलब इंसान डीमोटिवेट हो जाता है पूरा. आई थिंक यू स्कोर्ड अराउंड 83
80, 80, 80 to 83, yes.
तो CAT 24 के लिए क्या आपने स्ट्रैटेजी चेंज की? आपके मेंटर्स ने आपको क्या गाइडेंस दिया? स्पेशली आनंद सर है, सतीश सर है, तो हाउ डिड दे गाइड यू?
Yes. So yes, what changed in CAT 23 and CAT 24? The major difference was knowing me, how knowing about my strengths and my weaknesses, what areas I was good at, what areas I was not good at. मेरे को पता चल गया था कि VRC is a problem for me. उसकी वजह से there are problems created for me. So yes, after talking to see and ये खुद ब खुद पता नहीं चलता है. When you talk to different people, you analyze things and you know कि हाँ पता चल रहा है कि हाँ यहाँ पे गड़बड़ हो रही है. That's where Anand sir and Satish sir helped me कि हाँ to analyze things and to push me ke yes you can do it, you can try it one more time. They told me ke because see they have the experience, they have seen a lot of people in their life doing things. ऐसा तो है नहीं मैं पहली बार फेल हुआ हूँ. People fail every year and people perform next year. हर बार होता है ये. So yes, they told me how things will work out, and yes, I trusted them. Again, the major difference was the strategy and knowing where I was lacking.
What about quants?
Okay, so quant was something I liked. As I already mentioned, VRC was something which I did not like. So if I tell about my percentiles in CAT 23, they were 40 percentile in VRC and 98 in quants. So you can easily see कि जो मेरा initial preparation था, it was majorly focused upon quants. क्योंकि the major mistake that all of the students I have seen do, और वो करते ही हैं. Some people are there जो समझ जाते हैं, बट ऑलवेज पीपल फोकस ऑन देयर एरिया जहाँ पे वो ऑलरेडी स्ट्रांग होते हैं, बिकॉज इट इज़ ईजी फॉर देम. अब जब वो सॉल्व करते हो, आप जब सेक्शनल में अच्छे मार्क्स लाते हो तो इट फील्स गुड. अब सब कुछ अच्छा अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ आई एम डूइंग गुड, मार्क्स आ जाएंगे, ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा. सो येस, जस्ट वन एडवाइस दैट अपने जो स्ट्रॉन्ग सूट है उसको कीप वर्किंग, बट डू नॉट फॉरगेट जो चीज़ में दिक्कत है यू नीड टू वर्क अपॉन दैट. वो एड्रेस करे बिना अपने आप ठीक नहीं होगी.
ओके, कमिंग बैक टू द मॉक्स, आपने कितने मॉक्स दिए थे?
Roughly, if I would say 50 to 55 mocks, I would have given, because I have prepared for almost 2 years. I have given 50 to 55 mocks, a rough figure from what I can remember right now.
मॉक्स में जब आप देते थे, स्कोर का क्या ग्राफ रहता था? क्या वो ऊपर नीचे होता था? क्या वो नीचे से ऊपर जाता था या ऊपर से आप नीचे आए?
So there's a story I will tell, a very small one. I started, like as I already mentioned, मैंने मई में start किया था preparation, and we were told कि after 6 months, because हमारे पास I had 1.5 years to prepare. So after first 6 months I did not give any mocks, but after 6 months I gave one mock. It was my first MCAT, and I scored 97 percentile, and I was quite amazed. मैं तो ऐसा था कि अब तो IIM अहमदाबाद पक्का ही है. Then I scored this, and after which to beat 97 percentile, I beat that score 2 years after. उसके बाद बस I have been downwards. That was kind of a luck. So again, it has been very up and down. Things do not work out very smoothly while preparing for CAT. Do not worry much about the CAT scores. The mock scores, because they are not the true representative of what you are going to do in CAT 24. Of course, you need to see them. You just need to see from a perspective that कि तुमको उसको एनालाइज करना है. तुमने अगर 80 किया है तो वो क्यों आया है, 95 किया है तो वो क्यों आया है. Yes.
तो जैसे आपने कहा आपके जो भैया थे वो IIM अहमदाबाद से पास आउट है, तो क्या कभी ऐसा ड्रीम था कि यार मुझे भी IIM अहमदाबाद से पास आउट होना है?
Yeah, so I believe everybody, when they start preparing for CAT, everybody has a dream कि yes, Ahmedabad is the goal. But again, somewhere or the other, I knew about my profile. I knew what I need to do for going into Ahmedabad, what I need to do to go in any XYZ college. So I was kind of self-aware, and I guess Ahmedabad was never like it's a dream, but I was quite aware कि हाँ, Ahmedabad is not something which I will be able to crack this year. Yes.
कोई बात नहीं, IIM का टैग तो IIM का टैग होता है.
Yes, definitely.
Right?
You need to work.
Yeah. Now coming back to the CAT day, स्लॉट कौन सा था और क्या सोच के गए थे आप? और कैट का एग्जाम देने के बाद क्या था दिमाग में?
Okay, so only about CAT 24 I should say.
या कैट 24.
ठीक है, तो कैट 23 आई ऑलरेडी गिवन. आई ऑलरेडी नो कि हाँ कितना स्ट्रेस होता है, क्या होता है.
हमें भी पता
So,
है.
तो while giving I had a slot too. कैट 24 slot 2 मेरा slot था. I went there with an open mind, very open mind कि कुछ भी आ सकता है. You just need to be very patient and do not think much. कुछ नहीं करना है. Whatever you are doing, be calm. It's just a mock. It's just another day. Go with that perspective. Keep with an open mind. And my experience in CAT 24 was quite, again, up and down, up and down. In DLR, I got stuck. And again, the memories get back कि यार अगर इस बार भी नहीं हुआ तो gone. So DLR is a section, थोड़ा सा है, अगर उसमें time waste कर दिया and you did not solve a single set, it the whole cat would be very bad. So yes, just advised that शांति से जाओ, keep an open mind and just be calm
आपके पसीने छूट गए होंगे उस दिन.
while solving the DLR set very genuinely.
ओके. उसके बाद क्या हुआ जब कैट का रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर हुआ, व्हेन यू सॉ 99.17 एज योर परसेंटाइल? मतलब वो मोमेंट क्या था, क्योंकि कैट 23 में फ्रॉम 83 टू 99 इज अ वेरी बिग जंप.
Yes. So again, I cannot describe that feeling very well, but it was a moment where I realized कि yes, everything has come together. Whatever I have been doing from the past two years, everything is successful. What I wanted to, I have achieved that, and yes, that was it. I was happy, and because my goal was achieved. I wanted to be around 99.3 always. I did not tell this to anyone, but I always wanted to be somewhere around 99.2, 99.3, and I got 99.17, so I was quite happy.
एक्चुअली हम आपसे ज़्यादा खुश थे, क्योंकि जब रेस्पॉन्स शीट आई थी वी न्यू के
Yes.
जयवर्धन के 99 तो आने वाले.
Yes.
तो सतीश सर से वही बात हो रही थी कि
Hmm.
मुझे वो ऐसे हिंट दे रहे थे कि कोई तो है जीएलएस का,
Hmm.
बट ही डिड नॉट मेंशन योर नेम. बट
Okay.
उसके बाद देन आ गया था
Okay.
आपका स्कोर कार्ड. आई थिंक
हाँ.
पहले आपका स्कोर कार्ड हमारे पास आया था.
Okay.
नाउ उसके बाद जो जीडीपीआई मॉक्स है, आप उसकी प्रेप कैसे की? ऐसे तो आपका प्लस पॉइंट ही है बिकॉज यू वर कनेक्टेड विद द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स वहाँ पे बहुत इम्प्रूव हो चुकी थी. बट उसके बावजूद हाउ मेनी मॉक्स डिड यू गिव? आपके मेंटोर्स कौन थे मॉक्स के टाइम, मतलब
Okay.
टाइम में कौन कौन थे?
Okay. So I gave around 10 plus PIs and 4 to 5 GD I attended while practicing for time. It's not like if you have a good communication, you don't need to prepare because you need to. तुम कितने भी अच्छे हो, पीपल आर कमिंग फ्रॉम, यार गूगल से भी अगर कोई अहमदाबाद में जा रहा है ना, तो ही ऑल्सो प्रिपेयर सम वॉट फॉर अ GDPI सेशन. सो आई हैड टू प्रिपेयर बिकॉज यू नीड टू बी क्वाइट सेल्फ अवेयर. यू नीड टू नो के वॉट things are you will be tested at while giving that interview. So yes, time again helped me a lot here because to, again I would say the same thing कि to become self aware is the major thing you need to crack. And while giving mock PIs, when you are asked questions, तुमको पता चलता है कि हाँ यार ये तो मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. And these things are not sorted in my mind. So while practicing, everything gets good.
ओके. आपको कहाँ से कॉल आए?
Okay, so starting, the best call for me was IIM Mumbai, then MDI Gurgaon, then all the cab IIMs, then IIM Rohtak. These were my major calls which I received.
आई मुंबई से कॉल आया फिर भी यू कुड नॉट कन्वर्ट. क्या हुआ था इंटरव्यू में? व्हाट वाज द सीन लाइक?
Okay, so IIM Mumbai interview was quite different, as I think everybody knows कि IIM Mumbai is very much focused on operations. I was aware कि yes, operations के ऊपर questions आएंगे and I will be tested on that. I did prepare, but somewhere or the other, the interview was quite specific. They were asking me quite, what should I say, एकदम pinpoint चीज़ें they were asking, and some questions I was not able to answer. So like there were the panel had consisted 2 members. One was male, one was female. The male, it did not went very well with the male panel. So I already knew कि somewhere or the other कि interview इतना अच्छा नहीं गया है. So I was not even expecting IIM Mumbai. So yes, Interviews are somewhat like this. पता नहीं होता है तुम कितना भी प्रिपेयर कर लो. एवरीबडी नोज आई एम मुंबई ऑपरेशनल हैवी है. मैं अभी भी बोल रहा हूँ ऑपरेशनल हैवी है, बट इवन आफ्टर यू नोइंग इट यू कैन नॉट एस एनी इंटरव्यू. मतलब तुम पहले से पता नहीं कर सकते कि मैं तो कुछ भी अच्छा कर ही लूंगा इवन आफ्टर प्रिपेयरिंग एज मच एज यू वांट. So yes, it was a bit unpredictable for me, and kind of an average interview for me.
What about MDI?
MDI again was a very grilling interview. They were not asking about any general question, any academics or something of that sort. They were talking. They were just trying to grill me, like testing on my selling skill, uh, telling me to sell a comb to a bald man, and questions like this on business etiquettes. If you deal with someone with business etiquettes or with knowledge, kind of being ironic के तुम बच्चों से grooming अच्छे से करके आती हो, you only have superficial knowledge. So yes, it was kind of again a grilling interview. That interview I was not able to assess कि अच्छा आ गया है खराब गया है, because they were grilling. I was answering to the best of my capabilities, but yes, at the end, at the finally I was waitlisted in MDI Gurgaon as well.
And what about cap calls?
The cap interview went very well. Again, it was not very मतलब क्या बोल सकते हैं जो प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हो ऐसा नहीं था. अगेन दे वर आस्किंग मी वेरी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. दे टेस्टेड मी ऑन माई quant skill. They were giving me questions like kind of puzzles they were giving me, and I knew it when you answer puzzles correctly you are able to solve it. I knew that interview was very good. Again, they also tested me on somewhat on the current affairs as well. At that point of time, some Naxal movement was going on in Chhattisgarh, and they were asking questions very indirectly. So yes, CAB interview was overall good.
What were your final converts?
So I finally converted I am Kashipur and I am Rohtak. And as a matter of fact, I converted I am Rohtak just 35 minutes ago.
तो कहाँ जाना है फिर?
Uh, Mostly from what I am finalized, I will be going to I am Kashipur. But still, as I already said, अभी 35 minutes पहले ही I have converted I am Rohtak. I am still yet to analyze all the options, but yes, most probably I am thinking Kashipur.
Okay. Do inform us regarding that.
For sure.
But अभी हम यही समझ के चल रहे that you are going to IIM Kashipur.
Let's see. Yes.
Very बहुत अच्छा लग है आपका. रोहतक से भी कॉल है तो you know what I mean.
Yes, I definitely know.
Okay. So looking back, what do you think was your biggest strength throughout this journey?
Our biggest strength, I will say I was not a very intelligent student when I started my preparation. The biggest strength I would say is consistency in my preparation. Very briefly, yes, that's it.
Okay. And now if someone's listening, स्पेशली आपके कॉलेज में GLS में अगर कोई सेकेंड ईयर में है या थर्ड ईयर में है जिसे कैट करना है, आप उनको क्या सजेस्ट करोगे?
Yeah, I will only suggest that do not do CAD for the sake of it, because I am seeing a lot of people are just doing it because कुछ और पता नहीं है CAD कर लेते हैं CAD कर लेते हैं. Do not do just for the sake of it. If you are willing to do it very persistently, give a lot of efforts, and you will definitely get results. And even if you do not get results, you will definitely see a change in yourselves. You will learn something or the other. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि वो एक साल प्रेप किया, मान लो कुछ भी कन्वर्ट नहीं हुआ. Still you will see कि you have developed a lot. So give your all and not keep any other options. I see कि people यार हो जाएगा तो ठीक है, नहीं होगा तो ये कर लेंगे. If you do this, you are not quite focused on that. It's good to have a backup plans, but just be focused, be persistent, and practice.
एक और चीज़ जो हुई थी, एक तो जब आपने लिंक्डइन पोस्ट किया था, आपके बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स दे वर वेरी हैप्पी.
Yes.
सेकेंडली जो आपके मैम थे कॉलेज के, जब आप
Yes.
उनसे मिलने गए थे तो उनका क्या रिएक्शन था व्हेन यू टोल्ड हर दैट मेरा IIM काशीपुर कन्वर्ट है?
Yeah, so again, I cannot describe that feeling because I was in communication with Shefali ma'am, who is my head of department. I was quite interactive with her as well during the whole year. And when I told her ki yes, I have converted, I am Kashipur, she was genuinely very happy. The smile on her face was very fulfilling, if I can say. She was like, she always trusted me कि yes, कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही लेगा. But yes, it was quite a good moment for her, and She said ki yes, we will remember you from GLS. Yes, someone from
आपका
GLS
भी
again.
लगेगा कुछ?
That depends on GLS. Let's see.
ओके, आई होप लग जाए.
Yes.
तो फाइनली अब क्या है माइंड में, किस चीज़ के लिए आप एक्साइटेड हो?
Yeah, definitely the journey. हमेशा जिस चीज़ के लिए प्रिपेयर किया है, now I will be doing that हमेशा. Everybody want when they start the prep, eventually they want to do an MBA. सारी prep उसी के लिए तो है. So now my preparation phase is over. Everything is done. I will be finally joining whatever college I join. I will be joining a B school. So yes, doing things there, learning new things there, meeting a lot of new people, interacting with a whole new different crowd because I will be moving out of the city for first time as well. Uh, Interacting with professor, participating in various competitions, and yes, I'm excited for a lot of new things. Let's hope I learn. I develop myself a lot and get to know a lot of new things. Yes.
ओके, वन न्यूट्रल क्वेश्चन आई वांटेड टू आस्क. जस्ट बिकॉज जीएलएस से बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स कैट करते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर मैं न्यूट्रली पूछूं, कोचिंग का कितना हाथ होता है? नंबर वन. सेकेंडली, स्टूडेंट्स को कैसा कोचिंग चूज करना चाहिए?
ओके, सो फर्स्टली आंसरिंग कोचिंग का कितना हाथ होता है, तो आई विल से द फाउंडेशन दैट इज बिल्ड, दैट इज द मेजर इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल वेर अ कोचिंग प्ले कम्स इन. वंस अगर आपका फाउंडेशन बिल्ड हो चुका है ना, देन कोचिंग कैन नॉट डू मेजर थिंग्स फॉर यू. डेफिनेटली दे कैन हेल्प, बट इट इज अपॉन यू हाउ मच यू प्रैक्टिस, हाउ मच यू आर कंसिस्टेंट, एंड एवरीथिंग आई टोल्ड ऑलरेडी. So building foundations is where coaching comes in, and how you should choose a coaching, uh, I would say where people are very helpful, people are interacting, a lot of attention is given to you. अगर तुमको हेल्प चाहिए at any stage, you will be looked at. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि like I already mentioned कि I was not quite good at studies from start, but it was not like कि अगर अच्छा नहीं है तो ध्यान नहीं दिया जाएगा. The system was quite helpful for me, or kind of favorable for me, to guide me at every stage, to let me know ke at what point of time what options do I have, and helping me evaluate all those options and analyze myself. So yes, where you can get help at every point of time and it feels like a family, you should definitely join that institution.
सो फर्स्ट टाइम अहमदाबाद योर फैमिली?
Yes, for sure. Time Ahmedabad was a family, and I will always remember the people I met there, the people who helped me get into a B school. It was definitely a family for me.
व्हाट डू यू वांट टू टेल सतीश सर बिफोर गोइंग?
A big thank you for everything, because Satish sir was one person who was consistent with us. If you even text him at any point of day, he would reply us. I've never seen any director of any institution. I can definitely say, if you want to ask any doubts at any point of time, you can right away text him. His cabin is always open. So yes, just that again a big thank you for Satish sir. I am very proud that I joined Time Ahmedabad and I got a mentor such as Satish sir, because in GDPI as well, in selecting these schools, in letting me know के what are the various options from his experience के क्या क्या चीज़ें होती है, क्या क्या चीज़ें करनी चाहिए, and all of those things. So yes, it was quite a good thing with Satish sir. Yes, quite a good bond.
Okay, we are also proud of you, and
Thank you.
thank you so much for giving your time. And again, congratulations for converting I am Kashipur. I am Rohtak. You'll think
Yes,
about it,
yes,
right?
for sure.
So
Yes, yes, just one last thing. Thank you so much, Time, for whatever they have done for me, for the whole family, including Satish sir. It was not only about Satish sir, it was about the whole faculty members, starting from the counseling members, for every faculty that trained me for academics, for every faculty that trained me for GDPI, for every guest lectures that I had, for every extracurriculars opportunities that I got through Time, for the MBA profile building help I got from you. So yes, overall it was quite a good experience, and yes, a big thank you for the whole time, from the whole time. Yes.
thank you. Wishing you all the best. So, guys, this was all for today, and we'll bring more such success stories here. And this story also is inspiration for all, especially GLS students, right? So see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.